Can this be 3D printed? What you are looking at is a print-in-place, fully interlocking rotating joint. No assembly, no screws, just one solid piece right off the build plate. To make things 10 times harder, I'm not printing this with standard forgiving PLA. We are throwing an aggressive, abrasive PETG glass fiber through a fat 0.6 millimeters nozzle. That means wide extrusion lines, unpredictable fiber bridging, and a material that loves to permanently stick to itself.
Coffee steam rising, sunlight on the table, sketching futures as fast as I'm able. Layers finding a way through the day. Nozzle dances, building beauty from bloom, but scaffolds and shadows still haunt the room. Why lean on what we have to break? I want the arc without the mess, pure geometry. No jagged scars, a path straight to the stars. Physics finding a sweet relief, 45 degrees of pure belief. Bridging gaps across empty space with a steady, gentle pace. Oh, the beauty of the overhang, defying gravity. No crutches in the way. Into the bright unknown, it stands alone, a masterpiece in the latest play form, rising from the bed, surviving every storm ahead. Roasted beans and warm Pelé calculations merge in the perfect way. Cooling fans whisper, hold your breath, red noon, dancing on the edge of plastic death. We don't need the waste or the time, lost in the rhythm, lost in the rhyme. The motor hums a richer tone, a digital seed we have sown. Everything is balanced, everything is right. No support, just a climb, victory in record time. A floating world in a tiny space. Rhythm of the gear, wiping fear. A new vision is drawing near. Scaffolds are for those who fear the drop. We won't let the momentum stop. A bridge over water with no piers below, teaching the material how to grow. The arc of the soul, making it whole. The print is finished, the table is cold. A story of courage finally told. The overhang held on tight. No support needed, vision clear, leaving behind every shadow and fear.